Welcome to Science, Health and Healing Library of Children's Health Core. I'm Dr. Majid Ali. The subject of this article is the oxygen model of cancer, part 9, genes. What is the relationship between genes and cancer? Let me tell you the core message of this program. I think it is an enormous injustice to people all over the world when the National Institute of Health and the Institute of Science, the two prestigious organizations in the United States, devote 100% of the public money, research money, to work on cancer genes. I'll make a prediction. Except for a very small number of cancers which will be partially benefited by drugs based on gene therapy research, gene replacement vision of curing cancer will prove to be futile. Otto Warburg, a German physician, recognized that a cancer cell was a fermenting cell. His work with oxygen transferring enzymes and hydrogen transferring enzymes won him 2 unshared Nobel Prizes. I am in awe of his achievement. He stated that once there is a shift from high efficiency respiratory ATP energy production to fermentating energy production in a cancer cell, that is irreversible. In awe of his achievement, I would still disagree with him. I think now in 2012 to say that the behavior of genes cannot be altered by altering their microenvironments, that simply is not true. In an important paper published in the Proceedings of National Academy of Science, it was demonstrated clearly that by altering the conditions in the body, the oxygen condition, the acidity condition, the free radical conditions, with optimal choices in the kitchen, bowel blood liver detox, nutrient supports, antioxidant supports, you can alter the behavior of those genes which are involved with cancer. For example, in one large study, I think they examined the behavior of 50 genes, and if I recall right, there were about 453 which were anti-cancer genes, and they were activated. And there were another 28 or so which were anti-cancer, and they were deactivated. In other words, by altering the nutritional, environmental, and stress-related conditions, you can suppress the cancer-causing genes, and you can strengthen the cancer-suppressing genes. What greater evidence can you have for this? Please watch all 15 segments in this series on oxygen model of cancer. It will deepen your understanding. You will understand why I keep repeating each segment the 2 core tenets of my oxygen model of cancer. 1, you can never understand the cause of the progression of cancer without understanding the oxygen homeostasis and how the failure of oxygen's detergent functions, cellular healing functions, cellular renewal functions, energy production functions, you cannot understand cancer. And second, equally important, I do not believe that treatment of any cancer can be considered unless you can detect and effectively address all oxygen-related factors. It's that simple. Children's Health Core was funded and founded by Talat, my wife, and I some years ago with a clear vision and mission of spreading, disseminating valid, authentic information untainted by corporate collusions and unaffected by these activist ideologues who don't study cancer and they really don't understand cancer, and that yet they claim to cure cancers by their alkaline waters or raw foods or whatever. All those things are good. That's not my point. My point is this claim that you can kill cancer. One of the activists was telling me that with alkaline water he can cure stage 4 bladder cancer in 24 hours. I just walked away. What can you say? They live in their own universe, which is parallel to my universe. My authentic teachers are my patients, my microscopes, my friends on my autopsy table. I have a higher calling. I march to different drummers. Should you wish to support our vision, please visit our website www.kids123.org. If you have a question, how can I help? Please Google just that. How can I help? Put Kids123 next to it, and it will take you to a page where we make some specific suggestions how you can help us. Spread this message of truth and authenticity. In one of the segments, I made a heart-rending prediction that in 25 years there's going to be an epidemic of cancers among children all over the world. I'll give you my reasons. I hope I'll be proven wrong. But at least some of the children we can help, some of the parents we can help. Until we meet again, may you be gracious, graceful, and generous in your spirit. Thank you. Thank you so much.